Today, I am at Tokyo Narita International Airport and I'm going to show you how to go from Narita Airport to Tokyo in 41 minutes with a cost of $18 using an express train called Skyliner. So you know that Narita is one of the two main airports in Tokyo, but it's not located in Tokyo. It's located in Chiba Prefecture, quite far from Tokyo. It's about 68 kilometers from Tokyo Station. Narita Airport has 3 terminals. All 3 terminals have bus stations, but only Terminal 1 and 2 have train stations. So if you're coming through Terminal 3 and want to take the train to Tokyo, you can walk or take the airport free shuttle bus to Terminal 2 and use the train station there. There are 2 express trains from Narita Airport to Tokyo Center. The Narita Express operated by the Japan Railways Group and the Skyliner operated by the Keisei Group. If you have the JR Pass, you should definitely take the Narita Express since it's fully covered by the JR Pass. So who should take the Skyliner? In my opinion, this train is the best option for those heading to Nippori or Ueno areas and even Ikebukuro areas in Tokyo. Comparing to the Narita Express, the Keisei Skyliner is a lot faster, only 41 minutes, from Narita Airport Terminal 1 to Nippori Station in Tokyo, when the Narita Express takes 84 minutes, more than double the time. It's also cheaper and more convenient since you don't have to switch trains. How to take the Skyliner? After you get out of airport custom check, you should immediately see very clear signboards in front of you. And the setup is quite similar in all terminals. On the same floor, you can find information of trains and buses going to Tokyo as well as other locations. To get to the train station, you need to go down to basement 1. You can take the elevator or escalator. For escalators in Tokyo, we stand on the left, whereas in Osaka, you're supposed to stand on the right-hand side. This is how you get to the train station in Terminal 2. The access is the same in Terminal 1, where the train stations are also on the first basement, B1. When you get to basement 1, you'll find the Keisei station and the JR station in the same place. The Keisei line is in blue and the JR is in green and red. To get on the train, you need to buy tickets, and you can buy it at the ticket counters or vending machines using cash or credit cards or even IC cards. If you don't know what an IC card is, I made a video explaining about IC cards in Japan and which one is the best IC card for you if you're just visiting Japan for a short period of time. So check it out in the description below this video. Anyway, if you don't want to use the vending machines, of course, you can buy tickets at the ticket counters. Keisei ticket office at Narita Airport opened from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. But bear in mind that there might be long lines at the ticket counters. If you want to avoid the lines or you arrive when the ticket office is not open yet, use the ticket vending machines. It's very easy. I'm gonna show you how in a minute. But first, let's have a look at the ticket price. So in Japan, for normal trains, you just need one ticket called passenger ticket. But for express trains, you need an additional ticket called express ticket, or in this case, they call it liner ticket. So the total cost of passenger ticket and liner ticket from Narita Airport to Ueno or Nippori station is 2,570 yen. But if you have an IC card, you can save 13 yen. You still need to buy the liner ticket here, which is 1,300 yen, and you can use your IC card to pay for passenger ticket at the ticket gate. Now I'm gonna show you how to buy a normal ticket without an IC card. First, select English, then select liner ticket. At the moment, it's showing the next Skyliner from your current station. If you don't want to take that train, you can select another liner by the departure time. Then select the time you want and select your destination in Tokyo, either Nippori or Ueno. Then select the number of tickets, adult or child. You can buy multiple tickets at the same time. Next, if you don't have an IC card, select the main window in the middle of the screen where it says liner ticket and Keisei Line passenger ticket. Confirm your ticket before selecting purchase by cash, IC card or credit card. If you see 2,570 yen, that's the total cost of both passenger ticket and liner ticket. That's correct. Now here's how to buy the liner ticket only if you have an IC card. The process is similar, but now you need to select the option Purchase Liner Ticket Only, and the cost should be 1,300 yen. If you also pay by IC card like I'm doing now, make sure you have enough balance on the card to cover the passenger ticket. Now we're all set. A liner ticket plus an IC card. Let's get on the Skyliner. When is the first and last Skyliner in a day? The first Skyliner departing from Narita Airport Terminal 1 is after 7 a.m. and the last one is 11 p.m. Are there any shops at the station? Yes, there are cafes, convenience stores and drugstores on the same floor as the train station. Only a few of them open 24 hours a day, including convenience stores, SIM card vending machines, ATMs, and money exchange machines. By the way, the exchange rate at these machines is quite good, which is understandable given the lower cost of operating and space renting. How about foods and drinks on the train? Foods and drinks are allowed on the train. You can get some snacks at the convenience store before getting on the train. However, these days with the COVID-19, we eat quickly and quietly, what we call mokushoku in Japanese. There's also a drinks corner, but you need to have some Japanese yen because this machine only takes cash. Do they have toilets on the train? Yes. There are 3 toilets located on car number 5 in the middle of the train. One of them is accessible toilet, very spacious and clean. There's also a refreshing corner in the same place. What's the best seat on the Skyliner? I recommend getting a seat on the left side of the train because it's on the same side with the Tokyo Skytree Tower, so you'll have a better view of it. If you want to have more leg space, get the one in the front or back of the car. By the way, if you're traveling in group, you can turn the seats like this. Just remember to put it back after you do that. Is Wi-Fi available on the train? There's Wi-Fi on the train and it's quite fast. I was able to watch YouTube videos on my phone.
In just a few moments, we'll be arriving at the doors of the right side will open.
How to switch to JR lines. Let's say your destination is Ikebukuro Station. After arriving at Nippori Station, you need to switch to JR lines if you want to get to Ikebukuro. To enter JR station, you need to buy a JR ticket at the ticket gate. If you have an IC card, you don't need to buy a ticket here. Just use your card at the ticket gate. If you don't have enough balance on the card, like I did, you can top up your card here. Just make sure you have cash because the machines don't take credit cards. After that, get on the Yamanote line on platform number 11. It only takes another 13 minutes to get to Ikebukuro Station. Well, I hope this video helped you know how to take the Skyliner from Narita Airport to Tokyo. As always, thank you so much for watching. I see you in my next video. Take care and have a nice day.